This old guy DIY video has to do with putting a roof on this deer blind. So although it's 63 degrees in southern Michigan today, they're forecasting 3 inches of snow for Thursday, 2 days from now. I haven't put a roof on this thing yet, so today's the day. So I came in here, I just shot a couple of 2x4s. This thing is 6 feet square. So I cut the 2x4s to 6'3" and put them across there. I have one at the front, then 2.5 feet to the next one, then 2.5 feet to the third one. And up at the Hot Chick's barn, I found a couple pieces of this metal roofing left over from somebody else's life, probably 30 years ago. She said I was welcome to it, so I cut it. And now I have one piece installed. I have to crawl up there, put the second piece in. So to get that piece in, I had to bring the extension ladder down, but this should make pretty short work of it. This is what the roof looks like. It has some holes here from the last project, wherever it was used on a barn or something. But my goal here is just to make it so it's halfway comfortable being in the snow or rain, keep my gun and myself mostly dry. I'm not trying for an airtight operation, and certainly it was cost effective to just reuse this metal roofing. As is often the case, I'm leaving DNA on the work site again. This time it was that metal roofing that got me. This is the view inside my Cadillac stand. As I get older, I'm looking for a little bit more comfort. It takes a little work and a little creativity. This little fancy stand should work out really well. And particularly on Thursday when it's snowing, I look forward to sitting right here, being nice and dry, having my gun and my scope dry. And I suspect my shot is going to be right down there. So thank you for watching.